Hi everyone, I'm back to my work. I'm cooking tonight. Tomorrow hindi muna kasi sumusugat pa rin yung aking kamay and my foot. Eh, safety first. Siyempre dito sa US, kailangan naka-safety shoes but I'm wearing Crocs because my foot is still swollen. That's why I cannot even use my shoes. But they allow me to use it today because we don't have boss in here if weekends. My boss allow me to use this. But tomorrow I'm not cooking. Somebody will cook tomorrow. Kasi may sugat pa rin yung kamay ko. And miss ko si Chloe, yung aso ko. Talagang ganun. We have to move on. But I'm happy. Hindi na siya mahihirapan. Pero nakakamiss pa rin. Imagine how many years namin yung kasama? 9. That's our baby. Kaya napakahirap sa amin ng asawa ko natanggapin yun. Pero walang magagawa. Marami siyang sakit eh. I'm just waiting for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna serve for the residents food. And then after that, linis. I'll be leaving by 7:30. I'm not gonna stay until 8 o'clock. Still have 10 minutes to wait. We're gonna start 4:30. Kaya we cannot start early. Marami ditong rules. Hindi ka pwedeng magbida-bida. My boss is still here. I don't know why he's here. It's weekend. He's supposed to go home, but I don't know. He stay until I don't know what time. He's gonna stay with us. Okay lang. Wala namang problema. Basta gawin ko lang yung trabaho ko. That's it. Bye-bye. Update soon.